Hey Discord users, want to download voice messages from your chats? It's actually pretty simple. In this quick guide, I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's dive in. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or browser. This method works based on these platforms since mobile options for downloading are limited. Find the chat or server where the voice message you want to download is located. Make sure you are in the right channel or direct message thread. Here's the trick. Press F12 or right click and select Inspect to open Developer Tools. Go to the Network tab and play the voice message. Look for the file with a .mp3 or .ogg extension. That's your voice message. Right click the audio file, select Open New tab, and then save it from there. Now you have got your voice message downloaded to your device. And that's it. You are all set. You are all set to download any Discord voice message with this method. If this was helpful, drop a like and follow for more Discord tips.